You know, a positive point of winter is all of these fun holidays to decorate for, to get together with friends and family for. This video, I'm gonna show you how to do the easiest cat eye in the world, no liquid eyeliner involved. Trust me, I really don't enjoy liquid eyeliner. I like it if I'm going for that particular like crisp, clean cat eye look or just a strong line of liner. It doesn't have to be cat eye. But this cat eye that I did today and that I'll demonstrate for you is so easy, anyone can do it. You just need normal eyeliner and a smudge brush. Before we get into the tutorial, I have to tell you what Sephora is doing for Cyber Week. It's crazy. I don't think they've ever done this before. So starting today, November 20th, going through November 26th, they are offering a daily wow, which is a different product every day that is at least 50% off. The first day, this day, November 20th, the daily wow is their real mascara. Do you remember when this came out and what an uproar it caused? This mascara you do need to work quickly with. It has a touch of a learning curve, but if you want very long, defined, fanned out lashes that stay up all day, it doesn't flake off, they are there. They're Real by Benefit is the one for you. Sephora is also, of course, offering amazing Black Friday deals and great Cyber Monday deals. So if you're not signed up to be a beauty insider, do that. It's totally free. All you do is get rewards and promotions and points, so it doesn't hurt to sign up. So you'll be let in on the scoop when they're announcing the Daily Wows or whatever other promotions they're doing for this holiday season. And then Black Friday, they're gonna be offering amazing finds for under 15 bucks. Just put Sephora on your to-check list daily from now until Cyber Monday. I'm considering making it my homepage just so I don't miss anything. They have great gift kits right now. I'm gonna put links to all of the makeup that I used for this makeup look in the blog post, and then also links to the really great gift kits that they have available this season, which you can buy for yourself, I won't tell anybody, or they make great gifts or stocking stuffers. So like I said at the beginning, this eye makeup look is very simple. A cat eye kind of pulls the eye out, it gives the eye a little bit of definition. So if you are I do my makeup the same every day, but I just want something a little bit different for my holiday party or a little bit different for family photos, this eyeliner trick for a cat eye couldn't be easier, and I definitely think you should try it. So I have eyeshadow primer and my eyeshadow in place, and now I will take my eyeliner. I'm using a really deep brown color. I'm putting this on my upper lash line. I don't have to be perfect with it because I know I'm gonna smudge it out with the smudge brush. Then I'll grab the smudge brush and kind of pull the eyeliner in toward my inner corner. That sort of pulls the eyelid taut so you don't have to worry about it looking bumpy. Then pull your lid out a little bit to the side and use the smudge brush with the product left over from the eyeliner you just smoothed out and just pull it out a little bit to the side. I kind of like to pull mine out and up a bit, and that's all there is to it. Since this mascara is so lengthening and defining and all of the things that you want with mascara, you don't want to do too thick of a line of liner. It'll take away from the eyelashes. So here's the final look. Like I said, no liquid liner involved. The eye is kind of pulled out and defined, which is a really flattering look for most eye shapes. And it's just easy. You can pull it out as much as you want, as little as you want. All you need is that smudge brush and a good eyeliner. Okay, so now that you need to go get the products to recreate this look, you can click the link right below this video if you're watching on YouTube, or right below the video on the blog post to visit Sephora and sign up to be a Beauty Insider member. There's only perks, like I said. No minimums, no requirements, doesn't cost you anything. It's only rewarding you for shopping there, which is great. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's something I like to have in my back pocket for just a quick, easy change. I don't have to get a bunch of new makeup from what I usually do to change my look up a little bit. This video is sponsored by Sephora.